Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Nicklex, and in this video I'm going to explain you how to create a dialog box in your Tkinter, and you have to choose the file in your from your dialog box. You can specify the extension of a file which you want to open in your dialog box, and after clicking on a file you want how to read that the contents of that file and print onto your screen. So for that, I have imported three libraries. One is from Tkinter import star, Tkinter module, then the TTK module import star, and then Tkinter module. I will be importing the file dialog module and import the ask open file widget from this file dialog module. So moving to the next part, I will be creating a window that will be having a reference of TK, and I can specify its geometry. Let it be it's 200 by 200. So I can say here as window.main loop. And now coming to my this part, I will be creating a button. Let it be a button with the a button, and it will be placed in my window, and it will be having a text as open. And after clicking on this, I can just creating a lambda function. So it will open, it will create a function, it will call a function as open file. So here I'm going to define my function open file. So in this function, I'm going to put a reference of file and ask open file. The first one parameter is the mode you want to open this file in, which mode, then the file type, which you need to specify over here. So it's the file types. File types, I can specify like which type of files it will be opening. So its title will be the text files it will be opening, and I need to specify its extension along with the title. So star.txt is the text file which I need to open. So not if file is not none, means if file exists, then I need to open the content of the file with the help of file dot read method, and then I'm going to print its content. So let's run this. So I'm going to run this. So it's been running. I have not here attached the pack method. So it is not, the button is not being shown. So I have used the pack method. So button is shown. So if I'm going to click the open button, my a dialog box is open, which is containing displaying the all the txt files in my dialog. So right now I'm only having the abc.txt file. So let's first of all check what does it contains. It contains with the text as this is the text file. So I'm going to click on a open button, and if I'm going to click on a abc.txt, so the file contents that was written here as this is the text file that is being displayed over. So having a quick review of the program which I have been done, like I have created a window geometry is 200 by 200, then I have created a button that have a text as open, and it will, after clicking on that, it will be calling a open file function, and open file function I have written over here. So ask open file will be having two parameters. First one will be the mode, and mode will be the read-only files, the files which can be read-only, and you need to specify the file types which it will be showing. So after clicking on the open, it's showing me the file types of the txt file types. Why? Because I have mentioned over here that file type should be the text files. It should be the text files, and the star.txt should be the extension. So text file is here. So text files and the star.txt. So only the star.txt files that are been existing in the current folder will be shown. So after clicking on this, so abc.txt, uh, the cursor moves to, because after clicking on this, the file is having a reference of the file which I have been selected, means abc.txt reference is passed to this file variable, and with the help of if condition, I am checking that if file variable is not none, means if file variable is having some file open with it, then that particular file that is being referred, that is being inputted in this file variable, its contents will be read with the help of read function, and all the data will be passed to content variable. And the content variable, after the content variable have all the data of that file, I'm going to print that file onto the user screen. So whatever the text it will be containing in the abc.txt, that will be like display onto my screen. So this is the you can say the program of the ask open file, or the file dialog, by which you can open you any file and you can display its content either on your console window or on the lib. So this was all about your dialog box, and if you do not have to subscribe to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Do share and like my videos if you like my videos, and thanks for watching my video.